September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Rohit Gupta Ruhankit. Today I will be discussing about 10 things you must give up to move forward in your life, to achieve your goal objective in life. What all 10 things you have to give up? So basically it's a personality development video. So do watch this video completely till the end and be a part of Rohit Gupta Ruhankit. I want to thank for all your love and support which I am getting in form of your queries and suggestions, as well as to make a request to my viewers that the people who haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications for my upcoming videos. I want to tell you that this particular channel, Rohit Gupta Ruhankit, is basically for personality development tips, body language, motivation and lifestyle. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start the video. The first thing which you have to give up is letting the opinions of others control your life. It's not what others think about you, it's what you think about yourself, what you can perform in life. It's what you think about yourself that counts a lot. You have to do exactly what is best for you for your life, not what's the best for everyone who is controlling your life. So don't focus on the opinions of others. Think about yourself. Focus on what you think about yourself. What you can perform is more important in life. Second thing which you need to give up is the shame of your past failures. It is not like that ki past is equal to your future. No, it is what you are at present. What kind of person you are at present will decide about your future. Don't look backwards towards your past. Otherwise, you will not be able to succeed in life. So don't ever try to shame off your past failures. Try to learn from your mistakes which you have done in past, but don't focus on your past. Third point is being indecisive what you want in your future. You will never leave where you are until and unless you decide where would you rather be. So focus on where you want to be in your future after 5 years, after 10 years, after 15 years. Make a decision to figure out what you want in your life and then focus on your hard work and efforts about achieving that passionately. Fourth thing that you need to give up is procrastinating on the goal that matter to you. Obviously, there are two choices for ourselves in life, whether we accept those choices or whether we reject those choices. But we need to focus on that. There are two options in life for us, whether 20 years back or now. Don't procrastinate about what you want to be in future. Try to do your work. Try to fully concentrate and be focused on your work, what you are doing at present. Definitely you will get the results in future about what you are doing at present. Fifth thing you need to give up is choosing to do nothing. You can't decide, you don't know, you don't get to choose. You don't get to choose how you are going to die in future. You don't get to choose how you want to live your life right now. Every day is a new day. Every day is a chance to choose for yourself what you want to choose to do the next day or the present moment. So try to choose the things which you can do in your life. Try to choose the things which you can perform it right now. Sixth is your need to be right. Aim for success, but never give up your right to be wrong in life. You may be sometimes wrong at particular situation, but never lose your concentration over the success you want to achieve in life. Because when you will do, you will also lose your ability to learn new things and you will move forward with your life. Seventh is running from the problems that should be fixed. Don't try to run away from your problems. Face those problems, face that situation and circumstances and try to learn from those situations, circumstances so that the mistakes which you are making right now, you don't need to make mistakes in future. Face those issues, fix those problems so that later on in your future, again those problems will never come in your life. Communicate, appreciate, forgive and love the people in your life who deserve it. So always try to face the issues, face the problem, and fix the problem so that in later on you don't need to face them again. 8. Making excuses rather than taking decisions. Most long-term failures are basically the outcome of the people who made lame excuses in their life. So don't ever try to make excuses. Try to do the work rather than facing the failure again in future. 9th, overlooking your positive points in life. Try to focus on your points which are positive for your life. What you have received, what you have got from life. Thankful to those things. Always thank God for the things which you are possessing in your life. What positive points you are having, always thank to them. What you see often depends entirely on what you are. Whatever you are having, thank to those things. Now, 10th thing which you need to give up in life is not appreciating the present moment of your life. Too often we try to accomplish something big without realizing that the greatest part of your life is made out of small things which you possess in life. Always appreciate the things which you are possessing at present. So friends, these were 10 things which you need to give up. So friends, these were the 10 things which you need to give up in life so that you can move forward. You can concentrate on your future objective goal of your life. If you like this video, do give me thumbs up. Give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Share this video as much as you can with your friends and family in all your Facebook and WhatsApp group and help them to move forward in their life. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.